to log in Netflix on phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll let you guys know how can you log into Netflix on your phone. In order to log in into your Netflix account, then you'll need to first of all head over to your Play Store. Also before that, make sure that you already have an account and that you know the credential. After which, what you want to do is on the search box type in Netflix and install the application. I happen to already install it, and click the open button. In my case, I'm also logged in. So basically what you have to do is I'm going to use the browser. So type in netflix.com. When you go to the netflix.com, it will take you to the next field where you just need to go ahead and press a login button. Then it's going to ask you to type in your credential. That includes entering your email address or a phone number and a password. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged into your Netflix account successfully. So that is the way you could log into your Netflix account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.